I think it's so important that we start talking about money. More importantly, that we start talking about investing. Unfortunately, many of us didn't receive any financial kind of education, whether that's at school or with our family, myself included. And that can have lifelong consequences. So with Franc, we're trying to build a community of people that are willing to and able to and feel empowered to have a conversation about what is the right thing to do with their money, where they should invest, how much investment risk is right for them, what timelines should they be thinking about. So it really is about changing the dialogue and not having money be such a taboo subject that's only spoken about in silence and dark corners, but rather something that we can talk about with our friends, on social media, wherever the case may be.